Guys, so I wanted to hop in the video real quick to just say that I hope you guys enjoyed those POV driving clips of my turbo 370Z. I thought it was finally time to kind of at least show you guys what this thing sounds like under load, you know, turbo sounds, all that good stuff. I know the video wasn't the best in terms of the angle. I'm literally using my iPhone that is mounted to my chest, but as you can see, the angle was just a little too low, but it'll do for now. I really just wanted to put this video out because I haven't really shown a lot of what this car like sounds like. I've talked about my experience and stuff with the turbo kit and all that and installing it, but I haven't really shown what the car can do. So I wanted to put this video out for you guys. But yeah, you know, next time we're gonna get a proper camera setup and it'll be a much better videos where we go to the canyons and stuff like that. Unfortunately, as you guys saw in that last clip before I got to this, it is really hot out in Arizona right now, guys. It is probably over 100 degrees, and it's like 8 p.m. right now. And I could definitely tell that after a few accelerations and pulls in the car, it was definitely getting heat soaked. I have the 4.5-inch Trendstone intercooler, but you know, with it being so hot outside, there's only so much that intercooler can do. And I could just feel the car was a little bit sluggish and stuff like that. So didn't really feel comfortable doing a ton of pulls and stuff like that, but we will leave all that for another video. So yeah, guys, before I end the video, I do want to, as I showed you guys in that clip at the beginning of the video, I did launch some merch. This is by no means like a huge launch where I have hundreds of these shirts, but I decided I wanted to make it just because I really like this design that was made for me. You guys can see there, it's basically my Z with the engine bay and then the turbo, and the whole theme of it is just turbo 370Z Nismo because that's what my car is right now, and then obviously my YouTube logo. So, and then the front, as you guys saw, it is very basic, just kind of the black with the ish logo right here. And these are quality shirts, guys. These are heavyweight black t-shirts. I have a few sizes left, so if you guys are interested, click that link down below. For now, I'm just gonna have a listing for these on my retrofit page. I do headlights and stuff on the side, so instead of making a whole new website for such a small drop, I'm just gonna put a link there on my website. So if you want to buy one, you know, check one out, and I'll definitely get one sent over to you guys. But if not, no worries. You know, I kind of just thought I'd put them out here because I have sold some on Instagram and stuff, but I know I have a lot of people here on YouTube that might be interested in something like that. So if you want to buy a shirt, click the link down below. Any support, any sales or anything like that are highly appreciated. So yeah, guys, anyways, I don't want to talk too much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely stay tuned because I'm going to be, like I said, buying a new camera, and I will be making a much better version of this video. So yeah, enough talking. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video, and we will catch you in the next one.